If you're looking for something for yourself or a gift that feels truly luxurious, you need to see this Teak bathtub tray. The packaging is just beautiful, so it's gift ready right out of the box, and it even comes with 2 elegant tea light holders and a premium hand towel, which makes it feel much more special than a typical bath accessory. The tray is made from real teak wood, so it has a gorgeous natural finish and feels incredibly sturdy and high-end, and you know that it's going to be durable and last a long time. And I also appreciate that it's designed with adjustable legs for maximum stability across different size tubs. All you have to do is just set it across your tub and see which location the legs will fit best, and then screw it in with the included tools. I love how easy it was to fit my bathtub, and the adjustable anti-slip legs really make it feel secure. There's plenty of room for everything I want during a bath. Candles, a drink, a book, or my phone or a tablet, and it instantly transforms an ordinary bath into a spa-like experience. This is something that I can definitely see myself using all year long, and I also think it would make an amazing gift for birthdays, housewarmings, weddings, Mother's Day, or anyone who just deserves a little self-care. If you love creating a relaxing space at home, this Teak bathtub tray is such a beautiful upgrade, and I'm so glad I was gifted it by the brand.